besides emails, call them, message them, right? Call them, message them, and that is exactly what you got to do, right? ये चीज आपको देखना पड़ेगा. This is what somebody is writing over here. I would like to say something. I so wanted to be in the live session, but I have a shop where I have to attend the customers. But today, many a times I realized by first out of enthusiasm, I just raised my hand out of enthusiasm to the secrets which were revealed. Since I'm wearing an earphone, nobody realized what's happening. Awesome. Awesome. Right. So calls, messages, comments, DM and personal meetings. ये सब भी करो ना. ये सारी चीजों की वजह से भी आपके पास रिजल्ट्स आते हैं. When you send them calls, when you message them, when you comment on their post, send them a DM. You understand what's a DM? A direct message. Okay. A direct message on Instagram. You should do that. DM is a direct message on Instagram. Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, everywhere. Send them a DM, a personal message, and then also try and get the personal meetings done. So that, see, at the end of the day, you got to get results. I got a sale during the session. Good. Very, very good. Audio session, I will not recommend you to do an individual audio session. I will not recommend you to do an individual audio session, audio message for them, because it would be a little bit impolite. Okay. Don't do it. That is important. Got it? I have asked for a live session on LinkedIn. I got the opportunity. Now she's doing my resume makeover as a giveaway. So see, you do it and you automatically. Sir, I send voice notes, no, because people have asked me and I have replied to them. But first message में मैं voice note नहीं भेज सकता हूँ. समझ में आया? I got 3 paid SMMA clients in the last hour. क्या बात है भाई साहब? अत्यंत अच्छा है. All right, I know you all wanted an impromptu task also. We'll keep it short. और चलो, आस्था मेहता ने सबसे पहले बोला कि मेरे को बोलना है. To Astha. Tomorrow will 100% be speaking. Okay. I have allowed Astha to speak. Astha, please unmute yourself. Yes, Astha. How are you?
Hello sir, I'm fine. आप कैसे हो?
मैं एकदम बढ़िया. So Astha, what do you do?
I am in class 12th recently, and I just found my passion in public speaking.
अरे वाह. So what subjects do you study?
I'm studying non-medical. I am having maths, physics, and chemistry.
All right. And what do you aspire to do in the future?
Recently, I found my interest in engineering, as I love doing coding, and computer science is something that many people in our family are opting. So I also found my interest in computer science engineering.
तो अगर वो कर रहे हैं उसका मतलब ये थोड़ी आपको भी करना है. Are you passionate about it?
Yes, I am passionate about it because I have seen this success stories, and they tell me how they have reached the level. So it just generate my interest in that field. That's why I opted non-medical.
Okay. You know, हमको एक मैसेज आया अभी. That message is my 3 years niece is giving me full protection so that कोई भी session में आके मुझे disturb ना कर सके. She's not allowing anyone to enter the room. Okay. So Astha, the topic for you, and again we are going to switch whenever I tell you to switch. Okay.
Okay.
The topic for you is late night versus early morning. Late night versus early morning. अब आप पढ़ाई करो late night versus early morning, लड़ाई करो late night versus early morning, गेम खेलने जाओ late night versus early morning, वो सब कुछ आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. ठीक है? But when we tell you to switch, you will be able to. You have to switch.
Okay.
Ready?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have Astha Mehta over here, and the topic for Astha Mehta is late night versus early morning. Start.
लेट नाइट में ऐसा होता है ना कि एकदम शांति है तो आप बड़े अच्छे से पढ़ सकते हो. लेट नाइट आपको कोई आके डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेगा, आप कंसंट्रेट कर सकते हो अपनी स्टडी पे और कॉन्टिन्यूसली आप बहुत सारे आवर्स अपनी पढ़ाई पे लगा सकते हो. और ऐसा नहीं है कि हर बार आप पढ़ोगे, आप अलग अलग टास्क भी कर सकते हो, या तो आप मूवीज भी देख सकते हो. और अर्ली मॉर्निंग में ऐसा होता है कि मम्मी कहती है कि बहुत बेनिफिशियल होता है, क्योंकि सुबह के टाइम कंसंट्रेशन लेवल जो होता है ना वो बहुत अच्छा होता है। तो
Twitch,
अगर आप, बट फिर भी अगर लेट नाइट देखा जाए तो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल लेट नाइट ज्यादा एक्टिव होते हैं, तो आप बात भी कर
Twitch,
सकते हो। अर्ली मॉर्निंग में ऐसा होता है कि आप ज्यादा लोग उठे नहीं होते, तो स्टडीज पे कंसंट्रेट अर्ली
Twitch,
मॉर्निंग में ज्यादा अच्छे से। बट लेट नाइट में ठीक है, आप चैटिंग कर लो, मूवीज देख लो, मजे पूरी तरीके से आप लेट नाइट कर सकते
Twitch,
हो। अर्ली मॉर्निंग में ऐसा होता है कि आपको बाहर के काम भी
Twitch,
देखने पड़ जाते। रात को तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको कोई
Twitch,
बोला कि, बट अर्ली मॉर्निंग में ठीक है,
Twitch,
आपको लेट नाइट में आपको घर
Twitch,
के काम तो नहीं करने पड़ते, अर्ली मॉर्निंग में आपको घर के काम करने पड़
Twitch,
सकते हैं। लेट नाइट में मजे आते हैं बहुत ज्यादा, पेरेंट्स से छुप के करना पड़ता है लेट नाइट में
Twitch,
भले ही। अर्ली मॉर्निंग में पेरेंट्स के सामने आप स्टडी करो, उनके ऊपर अच्छा इंप्रेशन पड़ता है कि आप कंसंट्रेट कर रहे हो अपने
Twitch,
कामों में। लेट नाइट में उनको लगता है कि लेट जाग रहा है बच्चा, ठीक है, कुछ गलत ना कर रहा हो। बट
Twitch,
बट अर्ली मॉर्निंग में ऐसा होता है कि हाँ, हमारे सामने कर रहा है तो कुछ सही कर रहा होगा बच्चा।
Twitch,
तो लेट नाइट में आपके पेरेंट्स शायद आपका साथ ना दे, बट अर्ली मॉर्निंग में दे देते हैं। बट आजकल की जनरेशन देखे तो सिर्फ लेट नाइट में उन्हें होता है कि लेट नाइट जागो, एक ट्रेंड बन गया आजकल, रात को लेट सोना और सुबह लेट उठना। तो
Twitch,
बट सुबह ठीक है,
Twitch,
अगर आप सुबह लेट उठ रहे हो, बट
Twitch,
लेट नाइट को अगर
Twitch,
आप सुबह जल्दी उठ के
Twitch.
काम करो या रात को लेट जाके काम करो, काम अगर आपका हो रहा है तो दोनों
Good,
फील्ड।
good, good, Astha. You did so well. Appreciation from all of us. We loved it. You did so, so, so well. Very good.
थैंक
So,
यू
how was your
सर,
experience?
it was so great, I'm so excited sir. I just found my mentor, and I'm really loving the way you speak, the way you helped me, literally sir. I am feeling blessed to attend this session.
Even we are so happy that you are here. You are speaking so confidently, and you are also learning a lot of things. Now, the only thing that is important is you have to implement the learning. वो बहुत important है, right? और दूसरी चीज, अगर आप आगे चल के इंजीनियरिंग करना चाहते हो, just do it. Only if you want to do it. Only if you have that passion to do it. If that's not the case, please don't do it.
Okay sir, I will
Got it?
definitely
Because
think
there
about
are
it.
so many other alternative options also available right now that you can start even after your class 12th. You just need to realize that there are so many multiple options available. Why not even explore them also for us? Isn't it?
Yes sir.
So, Astha, if I tell you before you leave, what are your key 5 takeaways from the session till now? जो top 5 है अभी तक के.
मेरे को सबसे अच्छा तो इम्प्रॉम्प्टू टास्क, आई लव्ड इट, मतलब इतना एनर्जी बूस्टअप होता है ना, मजा आ गया मतलब। और सेकेंडली मुझे पता चला कि मैं अपने पब्लिक स्पीकिंग को किस किस पॉइंट्स पे जाके इम्प्रूव कर सकती हूँ। मुझे कंटेंट बहुत सारा मिल गया है। और सबसे बड़ी बात वो ईमेल वाला जो है, मैं अब वो तो ईमेल वाला तो पक्का अभी से ही करने वाली हूँ, ठीक है, अगर आपने बता दिया कौन से क्लब्स और कौन सी जगह पे मुझे मैसेज करके अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेंगी। बाकी मेरे को मोटिवेशन वाला बहुत अच्छा लगा, जिसमें आपने बताया कि आप मोटिवेट कैसे कर सकते हो लोगों को। वो मेरे को वो एक ऐसी जगह है, मोटिवेट करना मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है लोगों को, तो ये सबसे बेस्ट लगा। और एक आपने बताया था कि स्टार्ट 0 से करो, बट अगर आप चार्ज कर रहे हो तो एकदम हाई करो, तो वो सबसे बेस्ट चीज लगी। ठीक है, चिंदी क्लाइंट्स के लिए काम नहीं करना है तो अच्छे लेवल पे करना, नहीं तो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट अपनी सर्विसेज भी देने को मैं बिल्कुल रेडी हूँ।
Very true, very true. And I'm so happy that you have the right mindset. And the right mindset is something that's very important for us to get ahead and get amazing results. Very good, Astha. Keep it up.
थैंक यू सर।
यार अभी देखो, अभी तो हम सेशन पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करेंगे. लेट अस गेट बैक टू द सेशन राइट नाउ. ओके, नेक्स्ट, गेटिंग हाईलाइटेड एट योर ऑफिस और योर वर्क प्लेस. Getting highlighted at your office or your workplace. The first thing that you got to do all the time is whenever somebody asks in your office, who's the one who wants to deliver that speak? Who's the one who wants to take that initiative? Who's the individual who wants to train other people? Whosoever says it, raise your hand all the time. Create those chances for you. Because when you will start creating opportunities, you will be ahead. Do you agree? अगर ऑफिस में या कॉलेज में या आपके काम में कहीं पे भी अपॉर्चुनिटी आती है तो मैक्सिमम लोग तो मना ही कर देते हैं, है कि नहीं? Maximum people are like, अरे नहीं ये है वो है. People don't do it. The benefit that you are going to get is that you would be ahead of so many of them. only because of this one thing, and that is raise your hand. And when you're going to raise your hand, you would realize that you are ahead of others and you are getting more chances and more opportunities for you. So always do it. Always do it. Very true. बाकी very true. बाकी सब लोग crabs की तरह पीछे pull करते रहते हैं. So you need not be like them at all. What you need to do is you raise your hand and you create so many opportunities for you. This is what Arpit says. I always raise my hand and I really got many opportunities in my classroom in college. And that reason why that happened is because you realize, man, I'm doing it. I'm taking the initiative. I'm getting it done for me. And that is what is the power. And that is exactly what you got to do. Raise your hand whenever an opportunity comes your way. And the reason, and whenever you do it, you would realize that this would come so many times. The opportunities would come so many times. Because बचपन से तो क्या बोला गया है हमको हमेशा, ज्यादा ऊपर मत उड़ो, ज्यादा मत सोचो, ये नहीं करना है, वो नहीं करना है. I'll narrate with you something that happened. We were in Thailand. Yeah, we were in Thailand. And we had gone for that boat ride, जिसमें कि water diving भी हो रहा था. We were also doing underwater diving. There was a lady there, and she was from Malaysia. And you know what that person did? What that lady did in Malaysia is, somebody was trying to talk to her daughter. And the daughter, obviously she's a young kid, she did not say anything at all. And what the mother said was, my daughter is very shy. Listen to me very carefully. My daughter is really shy. I went up to her. Real story. I went up to her and I told her, ma'am, I don't know you, but this is something that I want to say to you. I'm a public speaker. Please don't say this to your daughter, that she's shy, because this will get into her head. She's so young. And अगर ये चीज आपने उसको अभी बोल दी ना, she will get it into her head. And ये चीज उसके दिमाग में हमेशा रहेगी. She will always have that doubt. नहीं मैं तो shy हूँ, नहीं मैं तो shy हूँ, मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए because मैं shy हूँ, because I am shy. Please don't let that happen to your daughter. Never do it. She does not want to talk to somebody, so she's not talking to that person. That is it. That does not mean that you say this, because if you say this, you will automatically ruin her confidence. And I don't want you to do that. Please ensure you have to say this to them. And this is what you need to realize. आपके भी आसपास अगर आपको दिखता है, और if you are a parent yourself, please don't do it. आपको गारंटी बोल सकता हूं, अगर आज की डेट में आपके दिमाग में ये डाउट है ना कि यार मैं अच्छा स्पीकर नहीं हूं, मैं अच्छा नहीं दिखता हूं, मैं ये नहीं कर सकता हूं, मैं वो नहीं कर सकता हूं, मेरे को हमेशा घबराहट होती है, I have that inferiority complex within me, I have this and all those things. The reason why those things happen, and the reason why you have got that kind of a mindset is only because of this one particular reason, the upbringing. You have been told that you are shy. When a kid is born, the kid does not know, right? Whether I'm shy, what is the meaning of the word shy? The kid has no idea about it whatsoever. But it is made to believe that the kid is shy, that the kid is this, that the kid is that. And that's exactly what needs to be changed. And the sooner we do it, the better it is going to be for each one of us. Do you get that? And that's exactly what you need to understand. And this is what you say, and this is what you know. Raise your hand, create the opportunities for you, and don't listen to the naysayers, to the negative people who say such stuff to you. Next, train yourself for free. This is very important, okay? This is very important. Train for free. I wouldn't train you for free. Train for free. If in your organization you are at a higher position and there are certain people who are coming to the organization to work, tell them that I would train them for free. I don't want any money for it, but I just want to train them. Believe me, this will create such an amazing authority for you. And see, when people will know you, will you not realize that there's a very high probability that you might start working as a trainer? You might start working as a trainer only because you have got this opportunity. Yes or no? Because you have started training, because you are training the people, 2 things are going to happen. 3 things are going to happen, okay? 3 things are going to happen. Number 1, you will help a lot of students who are joining the organization. A lot of people who are joining the organization. Number 2, you will boost your own confidence, and you can also record whatever training you are giving to people, and you can upload it online. Of course, removing the important pointers that are from your organization that cannot be shared online. Okay, some important elements. And number 3, people in your organization or at your school or your college or your university will notice your work. will notice you training others, and it would automatically give you more chances and more opportunities because others are not doing it. So even if you are training for free, it does not matter. आपको वीडियो कंटेंट मिल रहा है क्रिएट करने के लिए, आपको अथॉरिटी मिल रही है, एंड मोर इंपॉर्टेंटली यू आर वर्किंग विद द इंटेंशन ऑफ serving people. You are working with the intention of providing people with more opportunities. So you should definitely do it, and then you would realize that yes, this is working for me, and I am actually getting more and more chances and opportunities for myself. So this is exactly what you got to do. Train for free, get visibility, empower others, create more video content because you would also be recording yourself. And three, you would always be highlighted. And maybe in the future, you might get into the training position in your company, which is something that a lot of people want, right? That's important. Somebody says, already I got it in my office. And that has happened after everybody started watching my videos. I got it from the higher authorities. So you see, such things happen. जब लोग आपके कंटेंट को कंज्यूम करने लग जाते हैं, जब लोग आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन लेने लग जाते हैं, जब आप, एक छोटी सी बात बोलता हूँ, बाकी सब चीजें तो सेकेंडरी है, जब आप लोगों को दिखने लग जाते हो, आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटीज खुद ब खुद आने लग जाती हैं. जब आपके पास विजिबिलिटी आने लग जाती है, आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटीज खुद ब खुद आने लग जाती हैं, आपके पास अटेंशन खुद ब खुद आने लग जाता है, आपके पास नए चांसेस खुद ब खुद आने लग जाते हैं. अपॉर्चुनिटीज आने के लिए, चांसेस आने के लिए, रिजल्ट्स लाने के लिए, आगे बढ़ने के लिए, वन थिंग दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज दैट यू नीड टू बी शोन, you need to be visible, you need to be available, you need to have a presence on the internet. When you will have that presence on the internet, you would realize that this would definitely work for you, that you would definitely be able to create opportunities. Otherwise, आप किसी को कैसे convince करोगे आपको काम देने के लिए? आप किसी को कैसे push करोगे आपकी एक opportunity को avail करने के लिए? It's not possible, right? The only way that is going to be possible is when people know you, because after that visibility has happened, then more chances would automatically come for you. बट सर वाई आर यू नॉट मैरिड टिल नाउ? अब तू ढूंढ लियो मेरे लिए यार लड़की, यार अभी तू काम करेगा. अच्छा पहले पूछा था तूने क्वेश्चन, मुझे लगा अभी पूछ रहा है. नेक्स्ट. कर लेंगे शादी वादी हम भी फ्यूचर में. मेरी शादी इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि वो एक ऐसी चीज थी जहां पे मैंने मेरा हैंड रेज नहीं करा था अभी तक. इसलिए नहीं होगा. आई एम श्योर देयर विल बी मेनी गर्ल्स बिहाइंड यू. आई डोंट नो अबाउट दोस थिंग्स मैन. आई नो वन थिंग फॉर श्योर, कर लेंगे कैसे कैसे, गाना वाना भी गा लेंगे. मैंने बोला तो कल आप लोग लो प्रोग्राम में एनरोल करो, और मैं गाना गाऊंगा हर एक बंदे के एनरोल करने पे. एक नई ट्यून भी ढूंढ के लेकर आ जाएंगे हम अपने लिए, टाणा कुछ बना के लेकर आ जाएंगे, है ना? तो हम कर लेंगे उसको. चलो आगे चलते हैं. मेक वीडियोस पीपल, ऑलवेज मेक वीडियोस. कह रहा कल एनरोल करो, शादी कर लेंगे. तुम शादी भी करवा दो मेरी एनरोलमेंट के बदले में, सही बात है. सिंगिंग मास्टरी कोर्स निकालो. इतनी अच्छी आवाज तो देख नहीं है, मतलब सच्चाई पता होनी बहुत जरूरी है. तो गाना वाना तो नहीं गा सकते अपन वहां पे. गॉट इट? आगे चलते हैं. मैं गा दूंगा सर. हाँ मैं तेरे को सुनाता हूं कल गाना, ठीक है? चलो आगे चलते हैं. सो मेक वीडियोस ऑल द टाइम. The way to get highlighted at your office is to make videos. Somebody says that we are not allowed at our office to create videos. You must be allowed to share some content, some information, some guidance with others. Please do that so that you can create more videos for you, so that you can get more visibility for you. Because when you would get more visibility, it would automatically help you in getting highlighted at your college or your workplace. How many of you agree with this? That this has actually helped you? Okay, I want to talk to somebody who would tell me, after becoming a part of our communication mastery program, how have they been highlighted at their office? कोई ऐसा जो मुझे बोलेंगे कि they will tell me that they have been highlighted at their office. Male, which industry do you work in? Publication. Okay, so I will talk to Malay and then I will talk to Vani. Okay, Vani, be ready. So Malay, I have unmuted you. Please unmute yourself.
Hi Rahul sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Entirely my pleasure, brother. So Malay, what do you do? Where are you based? I know you told me that you work from Kolkata.
Yeah. My work location is Kolkata, but basically I'm from a small town in Odisha, which is Rourkela.
Okay,
It is
Rourkela is not a small town anymore, man.
no in under Rourkela there is a small township in which
Okay.
I locate.
Okay.
So previously I was with one of the MNC publishing house in a sales as well as product training position, in which I need to train only the salespeople for some particular product.
Okay.
So after joining your session, I gone through some of your content and developed myself that I again got an opportunity. Now I am working with one of the premium language assessment center, which is Cambridge English Assessment. I am into
Okay.
it, and now I am giving training to the students about different kind of examination. So I have started my career as a trainer to only with a small group of people, and now I'm giving training to entire batch of students.
Okay. Good, good, good. And how has the program benefited
Hello.
you? Yes, Malay, we can hear you. Please continue.
Yeah. So right now I am taking care of entire East, and previously I was only taking care of Kolkata itself, and for some part of Kolkata only, and I was assigned most work into giving sales data and generating sales, those things. But after they knew that I'm more into giving training to the salespeople as well as to the students, now I got an opportunity with another publishing house, not publishing house, inside Cambridge University itself, and now I'm giving training to the entire East, and I have given last training to a group of 700 students
Wow.
regarding importance of communication and what are the products and how they are going to help by using those products.
Very, very good.
It's
So
all
you
because
also
of
help
you.
people with the publication part also, is it?
Yeah, with publication parts also. I have worked with some of the government officials to publishing their syllabus, to publishing their according to their syllabus, to publishing books also. So right now I am working with the entire thing, like I need to understand what their requirement to till the time to deliver them with the final products. What they want assessment, they want particular course, or they want some kind of app, what they want, and accordingly we are customizing things. So my part is to taking care of the entire sales circle or business circle, for a need generation till the feedback collection. The entire circle I need to work upon.
Good, 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 man. And I'm happy that you have been benefited by the program, because the motive is to empower so many people. It is rightly said, when you get educated, when you learn along with what you are doing right now, it will obviously give you an edge over others, because when others are not learning and when you are doing it, you will definitely get ahead. Your
Yeah,
work. Yeah, please go ahead.
also I want to say something. Before joining your session, I was too much shy, and most of the people were saying that you are not suitable for selling things, you are not a particular kind of guy. And at that point I was like, yeah, they are right, I need to try something else. And when I joined your session, I know that I gone through a depression period. I was totally inside a depression, and it is your session only which again generated some interest on me, some kind of that I know that I can do this thing. Yes, sales is not for me, but I can train people and they can sell that particular product. So what I have started to means know about more and more product, what and what kind of products those are, and going to tell them the benefit of that product to the salespeople. And that's not the thing. Again, right now I am sitting in a small township, and each and every day I am giving free tuition to more than 125 students, needy students, online for economics as well as English.
That's brilliant, brother. I'm so happy.
This all things is just because you, Rahul sir, you have given me so many positive vibes, and each and every time whenever I gone through your session, and I'm extremely sorry, most of the time I failed to join because of the work pressure, but right now I have decided that anything, if I need to skip my food, lunch, sleep, anything, I'm going to join your live session only.
And I'm so happy, man, that you are here and that you are ahead of other people, because when others are not doing anything productive, we are here to learn and we are here to grow. And so many people are appreciating you. So many people are saying that you have done so well. And that automatically shows that when you put in the efforts, when you learn in the right direction, you would automatically be able to get so many more opportunities for you. Many congratulations.
Thank you, Rahul sir.
Thank you, man. Thank you so much. So somebody has asked me a question. I'm from civil engineering. How public speaking and sales masterclass will help me, sir? आपकी इंडस्ट्री में भी आगे जाने के लिए, मैनेजरियल पोजीशन में जाने के लिए, टीम मेंबर्स को आगे लेके जाने के लिए, टीम मेंबर्स को हैंडल करने के लिए, आपके लिए पब्लिक स्पीकिंग एंड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को आगे बढ़ाना, ग्रो करना बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. Got it? Good. So Vani, what is, I will cover this segment and then I will give you that opportunity wherein you would be able to share your story, okay, before the next segment. So getting highlighted at your college or your workplace, what you need to do is, first of all, raise your hand, get the opportunity done for you. Number two, train for free. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, whether you're getting paid for it or not. The important thing is get that attention, get that confidence, create more people, educate more people. That's what is important. I'm a computer science engineering, my dear friend, irrespective of whichever domain you are in. इंटरव्यू तो आपको भी क्रैक करना पड़ेगा, प्रेजेंटेशन तो आपको भी देनी पड़ेंगी, ऑफिस में वीडियोस तो आपको भी देने पड़ेंगे, बॉस को आपको भी रिपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा, एचआर को आपको भी कन्विंस करना पड़ेगा कि आपको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दी जाए या ना दी जाए. अलग अलग प्रोजेक्ट्स में जाने के लिए आपको प्रेजेंटेशन बनानी पड़ेगी, अपने काम को लोगों को प्रेजेंट करना पड़ेगा. एक अच्छे प्लेसमेंट लेने के लिए एंड एक नई कंपनी में स्विच करने के लिए कॉन्फिडेंटली बात करनी पड़ेगी, इंटरव्यू स्किल्स डेवलप करनी पड़ेंगी, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को जब ग्रो करोगे, लीडरशिप पोजीशन में तभी जाओगे क्योंकि तब आपको लोगों को भी मैनेज करना पड़ेगा. टू मैनेज मोर पीपल यू नीड टू बिकम अ गुड कम्युनिकेटर. टू रिजॉल्व द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स यू नीड टू बिकम अ गुड कम्युनिकेटर. टू मोटिवेट एंड इंस्पायर योर टीम टू डू सम वर्क for you, you need to be a good motivator. If your organization requires you to tell your team members to work for some extra work, to put in some extra hours of work, you need to be a good and you need to be a good communicator to get highlighted at your organization and to get into the top-notch level. You need to be a good speaker. So irrespective of whichever background you are, irrespective of whatever work you are doing, in order to make it big, you need to become a good speaker and a good communicator. And that is what matters. And even in our daily lives, to get things done, what's very important is you need to get the right opportunity for you. And you need to talk to people. A lot of conflicts, a lot of problems can actually be resolved if you are able to communicate well. And if you are able to tell people about what you are good at and what content you have inside you. That's very important. Is that now clear with everybody? I don't think anybody would be having any doubts whatsoever why this is important for me. And then you also know how to monetize it, man. Go monetize it even more. Earn more money out of it. I've also told you all the ways where you can monetize it along with your work. Get it done. That is what matters, right? Good. Next, give more presentations. Speak more often. If it is required for you to give the presentation, do it. If it is not required for you to give the presentation, still create opportunities for you. Go to multiple, if you are a student, go and become a part of multiple events that are happening at your college or your workplace. You know what I did when I was doing my MBA? Now I didn't know that I will have the same kind of life every time. I thought that I will get into any organization. My life would be confined to that one particular place. That is what my thought process was. So I decided that during my MBA, I will become a part of as many events as possible so that everybody knows me. So that everybody knows me because of my speaking skills, and I want to create as many opportunities for me because I never knew what is it that I'm going to do in the future. I thought that these are my days. I never knew. I did not have a mentor to guide me. कि भाई साहब जिंदगी तो बहुत लंबी है, आगे आपको और बहुत सारी चीजें करने को मिलेंगी. All that is required is to get results. And did it help you? Of course. I got so much of confidence. I created that authority. I got that deep faith and belief that I would be able to get results for you. And that is what is important. जब तक आपके पास वो deep faith या belief नहीं आता, आप कभी भी कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. That is the faith that I got. I won at so many places. जगहों पे मैं हारा भी, but बाकी बहुत सारी जगहों पे we won. I'll tell you the kind of confidence that I carried during my MBA. There was a teacher. The name of that teacher was Priya Angle. And I was going to compete at a competition going to happen at ICFI Business School. Okay. I told ma'am, बताओ आपको कौन सी मिठाई खानी है? She said, what? I told her, ma'am, tell me what sweet do you want? I'll get it for you. We are going to win. And she was like, Rahul, I have taught at that college. I know that the university has got amazing students. I told her, ma'am, all those things don't matter. You have decided that we will win and we will win. Now you tell me, what sweet should I get for you? And she just smiled and she went away. We participated in that contest. The name of that contest was Biz Manager, something like that. And what we had to do was we had to keep a budget of rupees 200 something. We had to create some products out of it, and then we had to sell it. So our selling skills and the profits that we will sell it at will actually define whether we are going to win it or not. We won it hands-on. We won that. The next day I went to ma'am, ma'am, ye lo mithai khao. And she was like, yaar, jeet gaya tum log, aur kya? The photos are there on my social media. The trophy is there in my house in Dehradun. That confidence is what speaks. Yesterday morning, I told my team members, we will have 250 people who would enroll to this workshop today. Let me see if I have that voice note. And then you would realize how powerful this is. Wow, this is what Malay has also shared. Please read this. Please read this. Let me just check, okay? Which one is that? It is we decide that it's going to happen and this happens. That is the kind of confidence that I want all of you to create. That is the kind of authority that I want all of you to create. And that is exactly what is required. Oh, let me see if I can find out. I motivate my team. I push my team. Let me see if I can find out that voice note and I will share it with you. And then you would realize, man, this is amazing. Come on, man. I will have to remove my phone from flight mode. Let me just share it with you. I'm not buying the latest iPhone. I don't need it. I have this one. This is enough. Now you will listen to this voice note and you will see the confidence, okay? So I asked my team members, how many positive leads do you have? And some person wrote 1. I'm like, 1? She said, sir, aaj ke webinar se. And look at what my voice note was, okay? Can you hear it? Oh. What's wrong? Why can't we hear this? I'm so sorry. No, I have it near the mic. Still, it's not working. I will repeat it for you, okay? Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, let me try. Somebody says, आप इसको earphone पे डाल के देख लो. Not going to happen. So I told my team, tomorrow we are going to have 250 people who will become a part of our community. And that actually happened. And those results actually came. And you know why those things happened? And you know why those results came? The reason why that happened was because we totally believed in it. That's exactly what you need to understand. Got it? That's amazing. Now, more presentations, even if it's not a regular part of your work, do it. And I guarantee you, you will be ahead. And that is what is important. And just like I told you, become a part of as many competitions as possible. Because when you would become a part of as many competitions as possible, you will then realize that I am getting ahead And I am also developing that competitive. Once you have developed that competitive spirit, you, my dear friend, are going to win. One more time, I would like to repeat this. The audience is by your side. Audience is on your side. I guess this is something जो कि आप अभी तक हम सबको clear हो गया होगा, right? The audience is by my side. Write it over here, people. Come on, 8 p.m. Everybody, show me the same energy. The audience is by my side. Audience is by my side. Nice. Brilliant. I believe in it, and now you know it, and that's the most powerful part. And that is exactly what I want all of you to do and get benefited by and believe in that, right? All right. So, Vani, I have allowed you to talk. Please unmute yourself.
Sir, very
Hi,
good evening, sir. Hi, sir.
How are you?
Sir, hope I am audible.
Yes, you are very clearly audible. How are you?
Very much fine, sir. Hope the same with you also.
Hanji, bilkul. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And really thank you a lot, sir, for allowing me to speak on this platform with a big, which I was awaiting since long. And thank you for giving me the opportunity on this day.
Entirely my pleasure. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. As I was telling that I am in the profession of the company which believes the purpose is the must, that is the medical profession. And I am a medical area sales executive in this. And here I have given a interview for the next level, that is a zonal manager level. And still it is awaiting for since 2 months. That I can say because of the confidence what I have shown since 6 months back, which I have believed that of your session I have attended. In that you have told one of the content that you should be like a content creator than a content receiver, which I believed, and it has went to my heart. And from that time onwards, I was just presenting myself in such a way to the company that it is a tough challenge for them to select a person, because out of all India, we are the only 4 members who are enrolled, who are given the interview. Out of that, only 2 are left, myself and other. And in that also, since 2 months, they are waiting to reveal the result. Awesome. I feel that it is a confidence what I got from your side, sir. That is all credit goes to you because of my confidence level, what I have boosted up. And one more thing I want to...
Yes, please go ahead.
One more thing I want to share with you all, that along with this, we have to choose our niche, because there is a company we are working for. Along with that, we should also have our own identity. So because this is the opportunity I got in the lockdown period, where I got a time to spare for myself to learn more things and more skills. So I have chosen my niche also along with this. And I am like taken a training, and I am like a memory coach now, who has become IAM, that is an international international memory coach championships will be going on. In that, I am like a memory coach over there also. So it is all credits goes to you only, sir, because where I have believed myself, and all the credits what I feel because of your all the classes, which I won't miss any of your live session on Sundays. I kept myself to that only.
Right.
Learning never stops.
100%.
That I have believed.
And it is because of the efforts that you're putting in. No, you can get all the knowledge, you can get all the information, but at the end of the day, implementation is what matters so much. When you implement, then you realize that, yes, this is so very effective, that this is so very helpful for me. And honestly speaking, just like you have told me that you got the opportunity during the lockdown, so that means that it has not been a long time. When did you enroll to the program?
In February, sir.
In February. So it has been March, April, May, June, July, August, September. So it has been only 9 months at max. Yeah. And just imagine if so much of progress can be made in 9 months, where would you be and where would all our other mentees be 1 year down the line, 2 years down the line? Because that is exactly what we need to do so that we can get more amazing results in the future.
And I can share you one more thing about myself, sir, because I was, before joining your sessions, I was like I was very confident enough, but I was feeling very nervous to talk. Means what आगे वाला क्या सोचेगा मेरे लिए. In that perception I used to be.
Right.
That perception has gone off. That's what I felt like. It has come only because of your attending the sessions. The confidence level was there, but the perception of believing like आगे वाला क्या सोचेगा, that we have
Right.
to rid off. Then we can
Definitely.
do wonders.
Definitely. And I'm so happy hearing this. I'm so happy that you are getting such results and opportunities. And अभी तो आप आगे देखो, अभी तो और बहुत सारे results and opportunities आने ही आने वाले. For
And
sure.
for the best, I'm waiting for my interviews results to come in the positive way. That's what I'm praying for the gods now.
Definitely. It is going to work for you. And the best thing is, you should be happy that you have given your 100%. Because see, what is in our hand is to give our 100%. Some things are not in our control. But if we are prepared, if we are given our 100%, and if we are optimistic, the probability is that we will win many a times. And that is exactly what is going to happen for you also.
And the rightly word you told right now, sir, before I talk, that believe on ourselves. That is must. We
Very-
should believe our own self. Then only we'll get all the things what we are aiming for.
100%. That's very much important. Thank you, Vani. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much. This was so nice. Okay. Right. Awesome. Now, let us talk about content creation right now. When we talk about content creation, please take a screenshot for this. The topics, the subtopics, the subtopics, examples, and case studies. This is the content that you can create. And whenever you are sharing a case study also, along with the case study, what you also need to do is, please give some insights as well as strategies. अगर सिर्फ case studies हैं and strategies नहीं है तो फिर फायदा नहीं है, तो फिर results नहीं आएंगे, तो फिर opportunities नहीं आएंगी. So what you got to do is have some topics, have some subtopics, have subtopics, give examples, and have case studies also at the same time. Next, you can use all my content, and this is what I say to you: use all my content in front of people. Get that knowledge, get that awareness, get that visibility. What more do you want? आपको आज इतनी सारी चीजें सीखने को मिली है. 92 slides in this, 80 odd slides in the previous session. About 180 slides today is what we covered, by the way. So much information. Can't we make more than 150 videos using 180 slides? Of course we can, right? 100%. The only thing that is required is कि आप वो काम करो and आप वो opportunities अपने लिए खुद ब खुद लेकर आओ and आगे ही chances अपने लिए create करो. Okay, somebody asked me to go to the previous slide. I'll do that. Here you go. Topics, subtopics, subtopics, examples, as well as case studies. Okay. Can we use your content slides for our presentation? Yes, please do that. Not a problem. Okay. Right. You can use all my content. I don't have a problem with that. Please do it, but just get it in front of people. The next thing is make long videos, and then you can get those long videos duplicated in the form of different videos. For example, I will give you an example also. एक लंबा video को आप कैसे? A very simple example. Today we have got 8 hours of content. Okay. Today we have got 8 hours of content. I'm giving you an example right now. अब आप मुझे बताओ, from today's content, how many 2 minutes video clippings can we make? How many 2 minutes video clippings can be made? Multiple, right? Multiple video clippings we can make out of it. Genuine ones. Bare minimum, we can make 50 to 100, 80, let's say 80 video clippings बना सकते हैं. How many 5-minute videos can we make? Maybe 30 of them, right? So that is the amount of content that you can create and provide to people. So just imagine just one information, and then you can duplicate it in the form of so much content and so much visibility for yourself. The next thing is duplication is very important. So I made a video, 9 ways to earn money through YouTube. 9 ways to earn money through YouTube, right? That is the video that I made. Now what I can do is out of that one video, I can create multiple videos for my YouTube, for my Instagram, for my IGTV. I've also written over here. I can duplicate it, and this is the kind of content that I can create. I can make IGTV videos, 3 ways to earn money through YouTube, and make 3 videos out of it. I can make Instagram videos that are 1-minute videos. I can make 9 1-minute videos out of it. WhatsApp stories that are 30 seconds long. I can make maybe 10 out of it, or maybe 9 out of it. Same goes for Facebook. I can make 2-3 videos out of it. For LinkedIn, I can make 2-3 videos. For Facebook groups, the same videos that I'm using for Facebook can actually be used for the Facebook groups also. For Reels, 15 to 30 seconds, I can again make a lot of videos. And the same thing goes for YouTube Shorts. Somebody says, wouldn't the audience be bored? No, because you will not post the entire content at one go. Today, you will post the long video on YouTube. 1 month later or 15 days later, you will put the short version of it. And then you would do it on Reels, and then you would do it on Facebook group, and then you will do it on any other platform. So that is how you multiply your content, and that's exactly what I have done. So you can use your 15-second, 30-second content and put it in front of people. Find out how you would be able to create that content and create more chances for yourself. This is what you would be able to get results and opportunities for yourself. And that is what is important. Somebody says, edit करते करते जान निकल जाती है, यार जान तो मेरी भी निकलती है 8 घंटे बोलने में. करना तो है ना. So that एक टाइम ऐसा आ सके कि अपनी टीम में लोगों को वो आपके लिए कंटेंट एडिट करें, आप उनको भी अपॉर्चुनिटी दो काम करने के लिए. एवरीथिंग टेक्स टाइम. सी, एक चीज मैं आपको ध्यान से बताना चाहता हूं, ठीक है? लाइफ विल ऑलवेज टेक द प्राइसिंग अप फ्रंट. लाइफ आपसे हमेशा फीस तो लेगी सक्सेसफुल होने की. समझ में आया? सम पीपल पे द प्राइस फॉर द एंटायर लाइफ, क्योंकि वो रोज थोड़ा थोड़ा फीस पे करते रहते हैं, जिंदगी भर वो उसकी फीस पे करते रहते हैं लाइफ की. Or what you can do is, you can work with a lot of intensity for 2, 3, 4, 5 years. And for the rest of the life, of course, you would be working, but you will live a life wherein you would be paid more than what you deserve. But for that to happen, you need to give your 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. I will never sugarcoat my words. I will never say to you, कि boss, ऐसा हो जाएगा, ऐसे कोच बन जाओगे, ये हो जाएगा, एकदम से पैसा आने लग जाएगा. पैसा आना आसान होता है? नहीं होता आसान यार. नहीं होता आसान. मुश्किल होता है. शुरू में आपको चीजें सीखनी पड़ती हैं, बट एक बात और गारंटीड है, जब आप सीख जाते हो ना, तब आपके पास पैसा आना, रिजल्ट आने लग जाता है. तब आपके पास इतने पैसे आते हैं दैट यू कांट इवन इमेजिन. बट टू गेट टू दैट लेवल आपको बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. इट इज वेरी राइटली सेड. If you remember this, if you have heard my earlier videos, in life you will never be fairly paid. Either you will be paid less than what you deserve, or you will be paid more than what you deserve. It depends on which side you want to be. You want to get paid more than what you deserve? Put in more effort, learn more, outperform everybody else, outwork everybody else, and then you would win. I guarantee you, the kind of content that we have delivered to you in this 2-day session, in this 2 sessions today, more than 8 hours, it is top notch. I could have priced it at any pricing and people would have still come over here. And this is exactly what you need to understand. समझना पड़ेगा आपको ये चीज. Should be ready to pay the pricing for success. And when I talk about the pricing, money is nothing. रात भर जगना पड़ता है, एफर्ट डालने पड़ते हैं, जो चीजें करने का मन नहीं होता वो भी करना पड़ता है. आप थक रहे होते तो भी आगे जाने के लिए एफर्ट डालने पड़ते हैं, लोगों के संग जुड़ना पड़ता है, कनेक्ट करना पड़ता है, जो चीजें आपको नहीं भी पसंद है वो भी करनी पड़ती है. But again, for all those things to happen, you need to realize, am I willing to pay the price? Am I willing to pay the price? Prabjit will tell you about that tomorrow, okay? In life, you will never be fairly paid. You will either be underpaid or you will be overpaid. But the only thing that is required is, are you willing to put in the effort so that you can get overpaid in life? I guarantee you, so many of you will be overpaid in your life. Just keep walking. Just keep going down that path. And that is exactly what you will get ahead, and results will automatically come your way. J6 Infinity, please share with me your contact number. Please share with me your contact number. So this is what I say to people all the time. जब आप ये सारी चीजें करोगे, आपको अपने आप ही समझ में आएगा कि आपके पास नए रिजल्ट्स एंड नई अपॉर्चुनिटीज आ रही हैं, एंड आपके पास अपने आप ही जीतने के लिए भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज खुद ब खुद क्रिएट होने लग जा रही हैं. But again, just like I've told you, you got to pay the price for success. How you figured out the life purpose? I realized that I want to empower people, and that is going to be my motive in this life, because this is something that gives me the maximum amount of happiness, and I will always do it because that is what makes me happy, and that is what gives me the immense satisfaction that I genuinely want for my own self. Got it? Most amazing session of Rahul sir. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. And then do online sessions, cut those online sessions, get that information from the online sessions, and therefore you would be able to get even more results going for you. Okay, so what I can do for you is getting highlighted at your workplace. Number one, raise your hand. Number two, train for free. Be ready to train for free. Number three, make more video content so that you are highlighted. Number four, more presentations will definitely help you. Number five, get the ahead of the competition by participating in more competitions. Number six, the audience is by your side. Then I told you about content creation, topics, subtopics, subtopics, examples, and case studies. You can feel free to use all of my content, make long videos, duplicate the content, get more results. Then 9 ways to earn money through YouTube is an example that I have created that video for myself, and then we can multiply it in the form of different videos, and then we would be able to get even more results for ourselves. You can multiply it in the form of IGTV videos, IG videos, WhatsApp stories, Facebook, LinkedIn, Facebook groups, Reels, YouTube shorts, and get it in front of people and create more chances and more opportunities for yourself. Got it? That is so very important. Thank you so much, Pallavi. Thank you so much, Pallavi. And again, the next thing that we need to realize is, yes, you will get the recording of that. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm so happy that you loved it. I'm so happy, Ashwajit, that you loved the session. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's more than 8:20. I can proudly say that I'm sitting like you. Even I love it, that I give my 100%. You have to talk to them. They can then give you that opportunity and they can help you. For that, the PDF will be uploaded inside the access only. Once the access would be given to you. And people, before the 20th of November, we will give you the access of the entire session. Okay. Tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. sharp. All of us. Tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. sharp is when we are going to be here and when we are going to learn from this. Got it? I'm so happy, so proud. Let's have a big round of applause for each and every one of you for being here till now, till this time. Let's have a big round of applause for each and every one of you. Do something amazing. Make an Instagram story, make a video, send over the video to us. How have you been benefited by day one of the session? Add me, tag me in your stories so that more people can see what they missed today. Make a video, put it in the Rahul's VIP group, put it in the Learn Public Speaking group. And that is why you would be able to tell other people what they missed out on. Video bana ke dalo, information de ke dalo, connect karo, sabko batao, let's make some noise because we are the shameless self-promoters. Roshan, just like I told you, you are a student. And as a student, you can implement everything that has come your way and you would be able to get so much more from this. And this is just the beginning for you. आगे चल के आपके पास और बहुत ज़्यादा results and और बहुत ज़्यादा opportunities खुद ब खुद आने वाले हैं. I'm looking forward to your videos. I'm looking forward to your tags on social media.